Hey team, so today we're gonna go over how to do a shoulder tap. So this is what it looks like. And actually I'm gonna show you this way. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So when we break that down, benefits. We're strengthening through the anterior core, we're building shoulder stability, and we're also building shoulder strength. The way that we set up for this movement is we're gonna plant the hands, bringing the wrists directly under the shoulders, keeping our weight shifted forward, long through the spine and long through our legs. If this seems a bit challenging today, your regression strategy is simply on your knees. Same thing, hips square to the floor, everything's nice and solid. From here, we're just gonna lift one hand and touch the opposite shoulder, keeping the hips square, come on down, and repeat on the other side. And if you're on your toes, you're here. Our common faults are as we get tired, as we lift, the hips tend to turn out. So we wanna make sure to keep everything nice and straight to the floor so we're getting the maximum benefits from our workout. Another big common fault is once again, as we start to fatigue, we create either excessive lumbar flexion or excessive lumbar extension. And it's just not good for our body because it puts a lot of additional stress on our back, which can lead to injuries in the future. So just make sure to keep everything tight, everything straight and long, and that's how we get really strong. Deal? That's our shoulder tap.